Nick. Hi. We're on our way to Colombia. We're on the bus.
We're actually going to the airport first.
Yeah, but you know, on our way.
Yeah. We have to go to Miami though. So we're on our way to Miami.
Ladies, are we excited about going to Colombia?
Hell yeah.
Well, I got rejected, so we're working on that.
We're off to a hot start.
Nick, your bag's being.
Gigi's having issues.
Yes.
I think Cam's having issues.
Yeah.
But I think we are figuring it out.
Yeah.
And we're on our way.
Chris, where are we at?
At
We
the
made
airport, DFW,
DFW.
International Terminal. Heading to Miami.
Full flight.
Full flight.
It's
yeah.
a 3x4x3, which is a giant plane.
Giant plane. And then the next flight to Colombia is a little bit smaller plane, but way more open seats. It's not going to be a full flight at
Did
all.
you buy an upgraded seat?
I might have, yeah.
I did too, just about 10
Actually,
minutes
no.
ago.
On the second flight, I did not. On this flight, I did.
I did it on both.
I didn't do it on the second one because there was a bunch of free seats. So Andrew and I sit next to each other in free seats.
Let's go find some breakfast.
Let's do it. I'm hungry. Fat boy gotta eat.
You sad?
I mean, no Chick-fil-A breakfast, so yeah, a little bit.
Oh my gosh. Is that Kyle from Brad and Kyle?
Hey, I was just about the video too.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, celebrities in the house.
Weird seeing you here.
Yeah, what are you doing here?
Came to vlog you.
Really?
Yeah.
Nice.
I'm not bowling.
I thought you were Brad when you first walked up.
Was my hair thin and that bad?
No, definitely not.
Andrew?
What's up?
First Starbucks in a while?
First and last. I mean,
3 days?
I was fiending, and I got it, and now this has to, like, this, I gotta savor this, you know? Got, like, what, 10 days without it?
At least they put it right in front of our gate, so
They
you
did.
could
That was really
you could
nice.
go get seconds.
I can't do that. I can't.
All right, Cam. First time in an airport, what's it like?
First time in the airport. How broke do you think I am?
What? Can you explain your last 15 hours? What you were supposed to do?
No. So what happened was, 2 days ago, I went to go get a haircut in Dallas, in Arlington, Texas, guys. Arlington, Texas. And I walk in, dude doesn't speak English. I said, do I say here? He said, kid. I left, obviously. So I make an appointment for 10 o'clock for yesterday, 10 p.m. We get into the Uber, me and my newly father here, Kris, for the week. And we get into the Uber, and as soon as we get into the Uber, I get a text saying, your haircut has been canceled. Canceled. So now my hair, I'm not showing y'all my hair, that's disrespectful, but I did cut my beard off, and I look like a 12-year-old boy. That looks stupid. So if I'm old mad, it's because I didn't get a haircut. So I'm blaming that guy. So blame, what's his name? Swift. Blame Swift if I suck. If I have hit 160 this week, I'm blaming everything on Swift.
Are we recording right now? We made it to Miami. Now we're gonna get some food.
Did you do anything cool on the flight?
I slept.
The whole time?
Pretty much, yeah. I think
Snored?
I was on, huh?
Did you snore?
I don't know.
Chris, we're back in your home state.
Yeah,
I forgot.
Way away from home.
But it's still close.
Yeah, we did fly over Pensacola.
I saw that. I'm like, oh wow. What are you getting?
Cheeseburger, fries, extra shake.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Thick shake.
that's what I'm getting.
Thick shake for a thick boy.
For a thick man, chocolate. That's how I like it.
You look 18 at the youngest.
Kris,
We made it.
we made it.
I'm exhausted. Julia throws 20-pound bowling balls and made me carry them with my stuff too. It's the only workout I've done all year.
Because I'm the superstar.
Oh, she's
superstar.
trying to big time you right
Oh,
now.
no. She's just playing on my own words. I call her superstar every time I see her. So now she's just like taking advantage of it and saying, hey, I'm a superstar, carry my stuff.
The Brad look. So we got the backwards hat, Bowler Depot, right?
Yep.
Bowler Depot. You got the front backpack,
Got the storm shirt on.
storm shirt, front backpack, and the backpack.
Backpack.
And the dad shoes? Nope, not yet.
We strapped. And close.
And you need some really short shorts.
Tighten him up a little bit.
Oh, he's got the long socks, so he's halfway there.
Yeah, we're
There you
good.
go. The
We're in
Brad.
there. Brad, it's like I brought you with me, man.
All right, we made it to Colombia. This is our room. We are on this one. Obvious. I don't think it's very comfy at all. Superstar over there
I took the room.
He took the room. He took the nice room. Lights are off. He's.
But
What did-
hey,
oh.
we may change it up if Kris needs some good sleep.
Yeah.
We may change it up if he needs some sleep.
This is non-rook
Yeah,
privileges over here,
Exactly.
and
You respect your elders.
yeah, apparently, yeah. AKA, I gave him the key and let him get on the elevator before me, so he beat me into the room. But we gonna order some food. Let's go find Nick. I think he's in room 420. All right, guys. So no surprise, Nick doesn't have his shirt on. What a way to start Colombia.
We got.
That's not the point. We have a very serious matter here.
All right, what's the serious matter? Tell us.
All right.
I'm gonna flip my hair up.
Who's taller, Kyle or I? But you have to measure us laying down. We're
Okay.
not standing up.
Yeah, we've been trying to figure out who's taller for the last 30 minutes here.
All right. Let's focus up here.
Zoom in. You can tap that button like a picture.
Oh, really?
Yeah. That,
Oh, we're learning stuff.
I learned that
All right.
today too.
All right. So feet. The head. I think you guys are the same height.
I told you we're 6 feet.
We're not 6 feet!
I have no clue if this shot is any good or not. But
Pointing my toes, so
well, see, like Nick is slightly higher on the bed.
No, I'm not.
Just very slightly. Very slightly. Okay. Feet pretty much level. Pretty much level.
I think we're the same height. 5'11", 3/4. But we round
Yeah,
up.
you guys are the same height.
Alright, let's stand up.
You gotta put the hair aside because his.
Yeah, I know. I'm trying to account for that. I think same height.
Oh.
Maybe Kyle just by like
A 1/4 inch.
That's
a
it,
little
that's all
bit,
I
not
need.
even. Not
even a 1/4 inch?
even. No,
And
like
I register myself as 5'10".
yeah.
Just letting everybody know.
I also register myself as 5'10",
What?
and that's a confirmed height at 5'10" via my chiropractor. So
He's a liar. Packy, don't put this part in the video.
Yeah, blur it out. Make-
I didn't
crop out room
video
really
any of
small.
it. I didn't video any of it, so it's fine. Also, Nick with the shirt off yet again to end the
Stop
video.
flexing.
I'm not flexing. I swear.
See you guys tomorrow. We have practice, right?
Yeah.
Yeah,
2:30
practice.
Practice.
Thanks for joining us on our trip to
We'll
Colombia.
try and get some more shots of bowling.
Yeah, actual
finally.
bowling shots.
Now that
So,
we're not stressed out of traveling in Canada.
Yeah. Like, comment, subscribe as always. See you later.